Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to extend my gratitude to Edfor for giving me the chance to be here. It is indeed a great honor on my part to present my paper entitled Reading Performance in English of Grade 2 Learners in the field of education. Assessing and improving reading proficiency among students is critical, from global perspective to national and local contexts. The importance of developing strong reading abilities in children cannot be stressed as the researcher delved into the examination of English reading performance with a specific focus on grade 2 pupils at Sampaloc Elementary School in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Many levels of the analysis and intervention can be explored. For the research question, what is the reading performance of grade 2 learners in the following areas? Word reading and reading comprehension. What is the reading performance in the two areas in the formative test? First quarter, second quarter, third and fourth quarter. What is the reading performance in the summative test in the following areas? Word reading and reading comprehension. Is there any significant difference between the reading performance in the two areas in the formative test? Is there any significant difference between the reading performance in the two areas in the diagnostic test and summative test? For the methodology, the study employed a descriptive method that involves collecting, analyzing, and integrating quantitative research to an evaluation survey. And under that was a stratified sampling technique, which is the type of sampling method in which the total population is divided into the smaller group or strata to complete the sampling process. The strata population data, and that is proportionate stratified random sampling, which each stratum would have the same sampling fraction. Summary of findings. In word reading, by the beginning of school year, with an overall mean of 88 and 13.51 standard deviation, with the oral reading level frustration. For the reading comprehension in the beginning of school year, with a mean of 67 and standard deviation of 13.90. And the overall reading level is instruction. For the word reading level, it has an overall mean of 72 and standard deviation of 19.84. With the remarks frustration for the first part. And for the reading comprehension, it has an overall mean 37 and 17.36 standard deviation with the remarks frustration. For the second quarter, end of second quarter, the overall mean is 84 and standard deviation of 9.41 with the remarks frustration. And for the reading comprehension, it has an overall mean of 45 and standard deviation of 13.88 with the remarks frustration. For the third quarter, for the word reading score, it has 88 mean and 5.73 standard deviation with the remarks frustration. And for the reading comprehension in the third quarter, it has an overall mean of 53 and 10.08 standard deviation with the remarks frustration. And for the fourth quarter, the word reading score in overall is 93, standard deviation of 4.11 with the remarks instructional. And for the reading comprehension, in the fourth quarter, it has an overall mean of 59 and standard deviation of 12.27 with the remarks instructional. And for the end of school year, in word reading, It has a 93 mean and standard deviation of 10.72. In, in reading comprehension, it has 77 mean and standard deviation of 13.11 with the oral reading level instructional. For the difference of the word reading performance, by the end of first, second, third, fourth quarter, it has a mean score of 71.75 with a p-value of 0.0. Second quarter, it has a mean of 83.35 with a p-value of 0.000. Third quarter, 87.15, p-value of 0.000. And for the fourth quarter, it has a mean of 92.91, mean score, and p-value 0.000. Therefore, it is significant. And for the reading comprehension, in the first quarter, it has a mean of 37.35 with a p-value of 0.000. Second quarter, 45.49 mean score with a p-value of 0.000. For the quarter, it has a mean of 53.63 with a p-value of 0.000. For the fourth quarter, it has 59.65 mean and a p-value of 0.00. Therefore, the remarks is significant. Difference between the reading performance at the beginning and at the end of the school year. Word reading score in the beginning is 88 with a p-value of 0.00. By the end of school year, it becomes 93 mean with a p-value of 0.00. For the reading comprehension, in the beginning, it has 67 mean, and by the end, it has 77 mean value and a p-value of 0.000. Therefore, the remarks is significant. Based on the findings of the study, the following conclusions are drawn. At the beginning of the school year, the word reading performance of grade 2 pupils was generally low. The reading performance in the two areas in the formative test gradually changes from frustration to instructional level, and some section even got independent level. The majority of the grade 2 pupils achieve an instructional level in word reading, instructional level in reading comprehension. The results show that there was a significant difference between the reading performance in the two areas in the formative tests. The findings show that there was a significant difference between reading performance in the two areas in the diagnostic and summative test. For the recommendation, an intervention is necessary and the use of valid assessment tool, collaborative expertise among the teacher and teachers, and a focus practice should be used with the use of diagnostic tests in the beginning of school year and teaching reading in a face-to-face setup. So, for the references, that would be all, and thank you for listening.